How to install the Moto headlight and fender. These are the parts required for the light installation. They will be included in the parts box with your bike. Loosen the quick release and lift the front fork off the wheel. Slide the fender into the gap you created by lifting the bike upwards. Ensure the fender is facing the correct direction at this point. Tighten up the front wheel quick release to ensure the wheel is secure. Connect this bracket and insert the long, narrow bolt and washer into the holes on the fender and fork. It may take some pushing and jiggling in order to orient everything so the bolt goes through properly. Insert the black spacer in between the fork arch and the fender tab. Push this bolt through the spacer and rear fender tab. Attach the small locking nut to the end of this bolt by hand. Use a wrench to securely hold the nut on the back of the fender assembly, and then screw in the bolt with a 5mm Allen key. If the light bracket twists too much, adjust it and continue tightening the bolt. Make sure the fender and bracket are snug and secure. Insert the headlight into the bracket and insert the large bolt into the hole. Hand tighten the matching nut onto the end of the bolt. Use 2 wrenches to tighten the headlight nut and bolt. Hold the bolt still with 1 wrench and use the second wrench to tighten the nut. Plug in the light and turn it on.